Alright, so I kind of messed up and made us get on the wrong train. So what is up? Good morning, guys. Today's a little bit of a late start. It's about 3 o'clock. Just kind of been hanging around the house, not really doing anything. Work contacted me though, so I'm scheduled to work August 5th and August 6th. It's a Saturday and Sunday. Saturday will be for Warped Tour in the morning, and then they asked me if I want to work again at night, so I'm not sure if I'm going to do that one though, because I'm supposed to go up to LA that weekend. And then on Sunday, it's at night, so since I'll be up in LA, I'll be able to come back down and be able to do that. But on Saturday, it's for Warped Tour, and then on Sunday, it's for Metallica. So it's pretty cool that I'm now starting my professional career. What else do I have? Today, I'm going to go to the Padre game with Casey. My brother was able to get us some free tickets, so we're going to be attending that later tonight, and then possibly going to it tomorrow again. But we'll see. So yeah, today's vlog will pretty much just be the Padres game. Unless I come up with some crazy idea within the next couple of hours.
What kind of loser locks their door?
I lock my door because I don't want my house to be broken into. I have to shower. I'm not putting that. I know. Not putting that in the vlog at all. Alright, so we're on our way to the Padres game. I'm not going to take the camera inside because I don't know the rules. And I imagine it would be very awkward holding a huge camera in a Padres game. But we are on our way now. Oh, she's with the little boyfriend. Anyways, so the next shot will obviously be on my phone before the cool cinematic shot. Alright, so we missed the trolley. We're gonna rush to the trolley station that's next to Casey's place, and try to get there before the trolley does. I think we will get there in time. There's like 4 stops in between, so we'll see. We'll see if we get there or not.
The negative side effects of medical marijuana, folks.
I was gonna say drugs. Drugs are definitely involved in this right here. Alright, we made it, so now I'm gonna switch over to cell phone, because I don't want to take my camera, obviously, to the baseball field. But we gotta get our passes. We made it to the trolley station. Good driving, Casey.
Thank you.
Alright, so we just got our tickets. My brother knows the assistant bullpen coach, so he hooked us up with field box tickets. It's gonna be a freaking good day. We went through the VIP entrance too, but I have an update from Alonzo that I'm gonna transition you into right now, so play that clip.
Yo, good morning, Tyler's Vlog. It's your boy Zoe, man. It's a wonderful feeling to be back on the vlog. Right now, I'm waiting on this boat to come in. It's currently 9:45. It should be coming in soon. That's about it going on for the morning. I'll have a 65-footer later on, so see y'all later. Hey everybody, a little update. My first boat didn't come out the water, so my 65-footer is a little early today, so we're gonna get ready to haul that out and give you a glimpse of what it looks like. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be working on today for probably about the next 3 hours. So I'll get back with you guys on the update for that. So as you can see now, we have it tied up in the slings. We're gonna get everything positioned where we want it at. And then we'll go ahead and start picking it up. Now that we got it out the water, got one of my guys over here pressure washing it.
the? You got a big one out here.
Put that phone down before I write you up. I'm gonna have to write you up.
All right, you write me up, I'm gonna call immigration. How about that? What's up? Yeah, but you know Trump ready to get rid of you too, boy.
Hey, make this harder on yourself now, boy. Make this harder on yourself.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have finished the boat for the day. Got it on blocks and stands. Good to go. As for me, I'm done for the day. Florida heat got the best of me, man. Turning me purple out here today. It's good to be back on the vlog though, man. I hope everybody's taking it easy on. God bless you. Come back for another one with big smiles. I think that's how it goes.
How would you rate these seats?
9 out of 11.
Yeah. They're pretty good seats though.
They don't even know. They don't even know.
They're doing a review. I don't know, that was close. That was a close one. I think it was a home run. They called it a foul. So, we lost. I think that was a home run by Jabari though. Alright, so I kind of messed up and made us get on the wrong train, so pretty much walking back, because the next train was supposed to take like 30 minutes, so we were like, forget that. So we're walking back to where we were just at, and it's kind of a mission, and it's kind of walking through a sketchy part. Not gonna lie. But yeah, YOLO.
It smells.
Yeah, I just farted.
That's not you. That's
No, that was definitely that was fart. Update. We're now jogging. This is really stupid, but I'm sorry, moms, for watching this. But your son's kind of got us in some deep water, so we're running out of here. Without getting down on yourself, I kind of have to take advantage. If I didn't make up if I didn't make that mistake of getting on the wrong train, I don't think we would have seen this beautiful adventure that we're going on, Casey. JK, this is absolutely brutal and I hate it, and I'm definitely hating myself for this. Alright, so we made it back to the train station.
We did.
It's so stupid. But we see that there's a trolley here, but it's the blue line, so we're not getting on it. We need to wait for the orange line. The key to riding a trolley is looking at the trolley name. The one above that says orange line.
Praise Jesus.
We got our bus. We got our trolley.
We got our car.
Yeah, we got our trolley. Update, you probably can't see us, but we made it to the car. Now we're heading back over to Casey's house. Are we gonna stop for food or no?
Probably.
Yeah, we're probably gonna stop for food because we're both hungry. I need water. I'm dying. That jog definitely killed me. But yeah. So I'm terrible at ending these things. They're so awkward.
If I don't see ya.
If I don't
Good
see
night, or good morning, good no.
what are you trying? Are you quoting?
Truman
Oh.
show. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night.
All right.
Nah.
All right. Next clip. I forgot to do the outro, so I'm gonna do it right now while I'm in bed. Remember to come back tomorrow with a smile. We have some more memories to make. Peace out, guys. Shut up. No one likes you.
Hey.